Ever notice your dishes coming out clean but covered in spots? Or glassware that takes forever to dry? That's where Rinse Additive comes in. Rinse Additive, sometimes called Rinse Aid, helps water sheet off quickly during the rinse cycle. That means faster drying, fewer spots, and better results on glassware, silverware, and dishes. Instead of droplets clinging and leaving behind streaks, the Rinse Additive breaks surface tension so water just rolls right off. In a busy kitchen, time is everything. Faster drying means dishes can go back into service quicker. Spot-free glassware keeps customers happy, and in the long run, Rinse Additive can even protect your machine and ware from mineral buildup. So do you need Rinse Additive in your commercial dish machine? If you want spotless results, faster turnaround, absolutely. Talk to your state representative today about the right Rinse Additive for your machine and your operation.